Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we will check how to fix Google Voice not available in your country. So let's start. Just follow these steps and surely you will fix it. So the first step is check your internet connection. You have to check your internet connection on your device, on your computer, etc. So you have to do it first. Then the second step is verify your account. Make sure that you sign your account, Google account, and that your account is in good standing. Okay. The number three is check Google Voice availability. So you have to check if not available in all the countries. Visit Google Voice Help Center and see if it's available in your country. Number four, update your app. Ensure that you have the latest version of Google Voice app installed on your device. You have to check it first, this one, and then just clip your app cache. You have to do it if you want. You have to go to settings and then to go to Google app and go to your device settings, find the Google Voice apps and clear this cache. The number six is check the permission. Make sure that Google Voice apps has the necessary permission, example Microsoft, uh, contacts, notifications, etc. So you have to give the permission or allow the permissions to Google. So now you have to restart the device. Sometimes when this is not working, only you have to restart the device and this will give a new fresh to the app. So that is a good tip that you can do it. That is restart your device. And the second, the last point in this one, that is the eighth, is the contact support. If they should persist, contact Google Voice support for further assistance. Google will give you the support to fix this problem, and I'm sure that they will give you a better solution about it. That is the last tip because, well, firstly, you have to take more time to contact them and then they can keep in contact with you, and so for that reason it's the last step. So I think this one it's better to do it the first step and check the device if they have the permission to do everything here. So well guys, I hope some of these tips helps you to do it, and well, if this do it, so just subscribe to our channel and give like to this video.